Hello, in this video I will discuss about BPSK, QPSK and QAM in Matlab and Simulink both. So first of all, let's start with the BPSK. This one is the code of the BPSK, as you can see over here. Now by running this code, as we can see over here, this one is the input of our signal, that is NRZ signal, as you can see over here 1 0 1 0 1, and this one is the output of the signal. So as you can see over here, phase is changing from 0 to 180 degree, yes. And this one is the power spectrum of the BPSK signal. Now let's move to the QPSK. As you can see, this is the code of the QPSK signal. We are giving the signal as 0011 001101 likewise, and yeah, this is the code. Now let's run it. This is the diagram of the QPSK constellation diagram. As you can see over here, this one is the input that we give. As you can see in the code also, we have given 0011 and 01 likewise. And you can see input is same. So this one is the output of quadrature phase shift king. Now let's move to the QAM. So this is the code for QAM signal. Let's run it. This one is the power spectrum of 256 QAM signal. As you can see, we are generating 20 megahertz QAM signal. So over here in power spectrum, you can see at 20 megahertz there is one peak. This one is a scatter plot, and this one is the 256 QAM constellation diagram. And yes, this is the input signal, and that AMR QAM modulation, and the final waveform of the QAM modulation. So that's it from the Matlab code. Now let's move to the Simulink. So let's start with the BPSK Simulink part. This is the model of the BPSK. Let's run it. We can see output from this scope. So as you can see over here, our input is 1010101 only, and we got the output as a 180 degree phase shift. Clearly we can see over here. Now let's move to the QPSK. This is the model of the QPSK signal, and now let's run it. So let's view in the output. This is the output of scope O. Scope O means nothing but just output of the scope, and this is the scope B. So over here we have to check blue one, this blue one, and this one is the yellow one. So in this, output is produced by one bit of blue one and one bit of yellow one, and output is this yellow one. Yes, this one. So first input will be, see over here, yellow one is 1 and blue one is 0. So first input will be 1 0. Likewise second input will be 1 and 1. Third input will be also 1 and 1. Fourth will be 0 and 0. So as we can see over here, output is also changing likewise. So yes, that's it from my side. I have performed this in the 4th week of the training, and in next week we have to do crest factor reduction technique. Thank you.